G'day, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan Comfortline, stock reference number 5373. The shape runs from 6 months 2016 and is the current shape. It has a CZEA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CZEA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, auto type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.